I want to start off with a piece of analysis that I did a while ago. This is the statistics of the Dow Jones Index over the last 7,500 trading days, or 30 years. What I find incredibly interesting is that this is the distribution of the losing days and the winning days. Now, when we started trading the Dow 30 years ago, the Dow was trading at 1,700. Today it's trading at 29,000. So however way you think about it, we have been through an amazing bull market over the last 30 years. Yet the distribution of winning days and losing days in the Dow Jones is exactly 50-50. Over those 7,500 trading days, half of them were winning days and half of them were losing days. So for all this talk of technical analysis, when I come to work in the morning, I realize whether we're in a raving bull market or in a devastating bear market, the odds of a winning day or a losing day is 50-50. And it's a sober thought, because you go to work and you're thinking anything can happen. Absolutely anything can happen.